Namaste students, welcome to RH Chemistry. So today I am here to explain 1 month time, 1 month plan, proper 30 days plan for upcoming NEET 2020 paper. So here, just know you have finished your KCET exams and all concepts are there in your mind, and this is the best time to continue with that josh and that energy to NEET exam. Hence I am here, I am giving you a proper 30 days plan. So that is my plan. You can have your own plan and you can refer that, and it is only for chemistry because my subject is chemistry, so I can teach you only chemistry. Remember, and these chapters I have arranged depending on my experience, whatever my students have followed that and they have got good results out of that. Depending on all those proof, I am giving this full proof plan, and believing this, following this, the decision is yours. Remember that. Yes. Now, September 13th you have NEET exam, correct? But here I have given time, the day from day 1, that is August 1st to August 30, because from first JEE exams are also there. So for JEE students also I am not giving a separate plan for them. For JEE students also you can follow the same plan, but my concentration is on NEET because maximum students are writing NEET exam now, so my concentration is on that. So remember, my suggestion is, don't take rest now. You have finished your CET exam, so don't think that I can take another 2-3 days rest so that I can continue. Don't do that, because you are in that, the continuity. If you follow that continuity, remember, definitely it will help you. And the difference between that KCET and the NEET is, in the KCET, second PUC are of around 40 to 42 questions out of 60, and NEET, the first PUC part, they have asked around 16 to 18. But in NEET, remember, out of 45 questions, almost equal, that is 20 to 23 or 21, 24, such type of questions they have asked in first PUC and second PUC. Andre, so both are almost 50% weightage. Hence, you have to give more importance for first PUC also and second PUC also. Remember that point. So separately I am going to make another video for the chemistry, how to study to score more than 150 marks. Then what all the factors you can more concentrate on, that I will make another video after this. You can see in another 2 to 3 days. So but my request is, keep your social medias away from you. Don't worry about the rumors which is there already in the YouTube that CET exam, this NEET exam, JEE exam going to be cancelled or going to be postponed, all these things. Don't worry about these things. Remember, they will never cancel the exams. You have to remember that. Yes, as I told, 30 days, 30 chapter. Here also in the screen you can see those. So if you want, you can pause the video and take the screenshot of that. And remember, already I have given the synopsis part, the link in the description box. Go to description. If you are not downloaded, download all those PDFs. And already I have made around hundreds of videos. So on KCET part. So that is also useful. Remember, please see those videos. And from tomorrow, I am going to solve some higher level questions of NEET and JEE and COMEDK also in my channel. Remember. So if you have visited to my channel for the first time, you have to see the videos. Don't subscribe me. So you have to see the videos, then go through those videos. If you like those content, then come back and click the subscribe button. Definitely it will help you in your preparation of NEET or JEE or CET chemistry. Yes. So here I have made a week-wise plan. Week-wise, week 1, 2, 3, 4. After the 28 days, 2 days left, that 2 days separately. Yes, now you can see on the screen, there is a week 1 plan. There is a week 1 what you can do. You can shuffle the chapters also, no problem, but that is my plan what I am telling. Week 1, first day we will start with basic principles in organic chemistry. Organic chemistry part I have taken because it is a very basic chapter. So many things are there. Already we have finished. So we will solve some more questions on that part. That is basic principle in organic chemistry. First day in the week, that is, you can say 1st of August also you can take, right? Week always it's not a condition that start with Monday or Sunday. Don't worry about that. 1st of August, take the calendar and mark that. Yes. So you can see in the screen also, remember, first basic principle in organic chemistry, then after that hydrocarbon, because those two chapters are continuous, hence I have taken that. And third one is structure of atom, third day, and the fourth day chemical bonding. Structure of atom is a basic. Before chemical bonding you have to know that, so I have taken like that. And metallurgy for the 5th day, metallurgy for the 5th day, and P block first PUC for the 6th day, and 7th day, last day of the week, that is P block 2nd PUC. So interconnected chapter I have taken here. Out of these chapters, very important chapter is, remember, basic principle in organic chemistry and hydrocarbon. Very, very important for all your organic chemistry 2nd PUC part. Basic is here only. So follow that. Chemical bonding is another very important chapter you have to rely on. So remember that. So remaining chapters also very important. NEET indaga, whenever we are talking about NEET, whether it is 1st PUC or 2nd PUC, there is no matter. Both are very important, remember. Then 2nd week we'll start with, remember, see that screen, take the screenshot if you want. 2nd week, first we'll start with haloalkanes and haloarenes. So if you feel that week 1st day organic chemistry it is difficult, you take inorganic. Inorganic chemistry very difficult, you take organic. It's depending on you people, remember that. Yes. Then 1st day haloalkanes and haloarenes, 2nd day alcohol phenols and ethers. Then after that let us come to the physical part, solid state, 4th day, and I am going to discuss, which means we can read about solutions chapter. Then the classification of elements, 5th day, that's a basic chapter you have to know. 6th day, S block element, 6th day, and the 7th day surface chemistry. Surface chemistry on 7th day, because very simple chapter I have taken that. But here very important chapter is, remember, that the solid state and solutions, very, very important. Solid state and solution, don't leave those chapters. Very simple question they will ask, I will tell you. So very simple question. Then 3rd week, first we'll start with basic concepts of chemistry. Basic concepts of chemistry I have taken, that is a physical chemistry 1st PUC part, right? So you can see, if you want to take, you can take a screenshot also. So 2nd I have taken states of matter. States of matter, that is also important chapter. 3rd day aldehyde ketones and carboxylic acid. Aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid, very important chapter. And the 4th day amines we will discuss about. And 5th day coordination compound. And the 6th day redox reaction. Very simple chapter I have taken, redox reaction. So 6th day redox reaction, and the 7th day 2 chapters I have mixed, that is environmental chemistry and chemistry in everyday life. Environmental chemistry and chemistry in everyday life, remember that part. So then the last 2 days left, and we left, 4th week, remember, 1st day chemical equilibrium, 2nd day ionic equilibrium. So equilibrium I have given 2 days, means it is very, very important, must do chapter, remember that. Then 3rd day electrochemistry, 4th day chemical kinetics, 5th day biomolecules, remember, 6th day polymers, 7th day hydrogen. Here equilibrium, electrochemistry, chemical kinetics, all these are bigger chapter. Okay, so in the last day I have taken only small chapter, hydrogen. You can left out part of that chapter, you can consider it on the 7th day, hydrogen, along with hydrogen, remember. And last 2 days left, so 29th and 30, that is D and F block elements, 29th day, and 30th day, remember, thermodynamics. These 2 chapters I have taken. D and F block is very important. So thermodynamics is a dry chapter, that is, but D and F block element, very important chapter. So these are the 30 days plan I have given on the screen. You can take the screenshot. So you can pause the video, you can go back in the video, and you can do that. And my request is, read and do your hard work. Definitely it will give you best fruit. I am not assuring you that, remember, I am going to solve all these chapters in this order, because of some other work which I have, because it's not my full-time job. None full-time job there. So I'm not assuring you, but I will give you my best out of it for the preparation of CET and NEET and JEE and COMEDK exams. ಬಟ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಬಿಲೀವ್ ಮೀ ಮೋರ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಬಹಳ ನಂಬಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸರ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ. ಸಿ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಡೂ ಲೈಕ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. I will try my level best within my free time. I will frame those questions. I will take out the question from this NTA Abhyas app or some other reference books like MTG, Arihant, somewhat higher level, previous year JEE questions, NEET questions. All these I will try to make the supporting material for your preparation, but your preparation should be more proper. Like this, the timetable you can make it for physics and chemistry, the mathematics also, physics and biology also if you are need. So, but very important is making a plan. See, making plan is only not that much important. We are Indians, we are very good at making plans, but executing that plan is very, very important. If you don't execute, there is no meaning of this plan. If you go through my videos, 1 month preparation plan I have did it for the CET, KCET, and according to that I have made the videos and I have completed the syllabus. I don't know how many of you have completed, but I have completed all the chapters video in my channel. Remember, that is the execution of the plan. So, adake, whatever I am telling, so proper plan is required. Then execution of that plan is very, very important. That is required at this time. So don't take the rest. It will make you rust. So remember, all the best. Full josh and energy will hit that. Remember, I am going to start with from tomorrow NEET booster series. Final punch KCET is over. Now it is NEET booster series, JEE booster and COMED K booster for the 2020 exam. Take use of that. If you feel that this content is helpful and whatever the sir is telling that is genuine, then subscribe to my channel. Definitely I will not disappoint you people. That is my promise. Yes, with this I will take off from here. Thank you. Have a nice day.